Many adults believe their memory is getting bad because they are getting older. You might forget a person's name at a party, or you might forget what you read in a news article. This makes many people feel stressed or embarrassed. But I have good news for you. Your brain is not broken. You were just never taught the right way to use it. Your brain is like a very smart filter. Every day, you see thousands of things: emails, videos, and conversations. If your brain remembered every single detail, it would become too full and stop working. So your brain asks one simple question: is this information important for my life? If the answer is no, the brain deletes it to save space. This is not a mistake. It is how the brain stays healthy. Welcome to DeepListen English Stories. Today, we will learn how to tell your brain that the things you want to remember are important. To improve your memory, you first need to know why things disappear from your mind. Forgetting is a natural process. Every day, you receive too much information. Your brain tries to be efficient. For example, you might forget a name quickly because your brain thinks, "I don't need this to survive." It is not because you are lazy. Your brain is just trying to filter out things that seem boring or not useful. You cannot remember something if you never really looked at it. In our busy lives, our bodies are often in one place, but our minds are in another. You might listen to a friend, but you are thinking about your work. If you do not focus, the brain does not save the information. No focus means no memory. Many people try to repeat words again and again to remember them. This is very hard work, and it usually fails. The brain loves meaning. If you understand why something is true, your brain will keep it. If you only repeat the words without thinking about the meaning, your brain gets bored and deletes the information. Stress is the biggest enemy of memory. When you are worried or under pressure, your mind becomes noisy. Your focus becomes weak. This is why people often go blank during a meeting or an exam. When you are afraid, your brain stops learning and tries to protect you instead. A calm mind always remembers better. The brain naturally forgets things over time. This is normal. But many people read something once and never look at it again. If you do not visit the information again, your brain thinks, "He doesn't use this anymore," and it removes it. Sleep is very important for your mind. When you sleep, your brain organizes your memories. It saves the important things and throws away the trash. If you do not sleep enough, your memory becomes weak and your learning becomes very slow. Sleep is power for your memory. Your brain remembers what you use. If you learn a new skill but never practice it, your brain will delete it. Using information makes it important. This is why we remember how to drive a car or cook a meal, but we forget facts we read in a book. If you want to remember more, you must start with focus. No special trick can help you if you are not paying attention. Think of focus as a door. Information can only enter your memory through that door. If you are looking at your phone while someone is talking, the door is closed. The brain cannot remember what it did not notice. Many people think they can do two things at the same time, but the brain cannot really do this. When you check your emails and listen to a lecture, your focus breaks into small pieces. Broken focus creates broken memories. If you want to remember something, give it all of your attention for a short time. The brain remembers things that are interesting. This is why you can remember a movie you liked, but you forget a boring lesson. To help your memory, try to find something interesting in what you are learning. Ask yourself, how can this help me in my life? When you feel curious, your brain stays awake, and an awake brain remembers much better. After you focus on information, the next step is to understand it deeply. Many people think memory means repeating words until they stay in your head. But your brain does not like simple repetition. Your brain likes meaning. If you understand how something works, you will remember it without trying very hard. Memorizing words without meaning is like trying to build a house on sand. It will fall down quickly. Understanding is the key to making a memory last for a long time. The brain works by connecting things. It is like a big net. It remembers new information by connecting it to things you already know. If a fact is alone in your mind, your brain will delete it. But if you connect it to your life, the brain will keep it. When you learn something new, ask yourself, how is this like something I already know? These connections act like glue. They hold the memory in place so it does not disappear. A great way to remember is to ask why and how. People who remember many things always ask questions. They do not just accept information, they try to find the reason behind it. Questions wake up your brain. When you ask a question, your brain becomes active. An active brain is a brain that remembers. Another simple trick is to explain what you learned in your own words. If you can explain it simply, it means you understand it. If you cannot explain it, you have only memorized the words. Try to teach what you learn to a friend or even to yourself. Teaching is one of the best ways to fix a memory in your mind. You can also use special tricks to help your brain. One of these is called visualization. This means creating a picture in your mind. Your brain remembers pictures much better than it remembers words. For example, if you need to remember a task at work, imagine yourself doing that task. Use colors and clear images in your mind. The brain loves pictures and will keep them for a long time. You can also turn information into a story. We always remember stories from movies or books, but we forget our notes. If you connect facts into a small story, your brain will follow the flow and remember everything. Another method is called chunking. This means breaking a big group of information into small pieces. It is hard to remember 20 things at once, but it is easy to remember 4 groups of 5 things. This is how we remember phone numbers. Small pieces are much easier for the brain to carry. You should also try active recall. Many people read their notes again and again. This is passive and weak. Instead, close your book and try to remember the information without looking. This search in your mind makes the memory very strong. Finally, use your emotions. The brain remembers things that make us feel something. We remember funny things, surprising things, or important moments. If you can make your learning a little bit funny or personal, your brain will say, "This is important." When something feels important, the brain stores it safely. By using these simple tricks, pictures, stories, small groups, and emotion, You turn memory into a fun skill instead of a hard struggle. Learning something one time is usually not enough. The brain naturally lets go of information over time. This is normal, but if you want to keep a memory forever, you must review it at the right time. Each time you review, you tell your brain, "This is still important. Do not delete it." The best way to review is called spaced repetition. This means you do not study the same thing for 5 hours in one day. Instead, you review for a few minutes over many days. For example, look at the information after 1 day, then after 3 days, then after 1 week. This gap forces your brain to work harder to remember. When the brain works harder, the memory becomes much stronger. It is like building a path in a forest. The more you walk on it, the easier it is to see the way. When you review, do not just read your notes. This is a very common mistake. Reading is passive and the brain gets bored. Instead, use active revision. Close your book and try to write down the main points from memory. Or try to explain the ideas out loud while you are walking or driving. Testing yourself is a powerful memory tool. It may feel difficult, but hard learning creates a permanent memory. Your daily habits are also very important for your brain health. First, you must protect your focus. When you are learning, put your phone in another room and close your email. Even 20 minutes of deep focus is better than 2 hours of distracted study. Focus tells the brain that the information matters. Second, move your body. You do not need to run a marathon. A simple walk helps the blood flow to your brain. When your brain has more oxygen and blood, it can focus better and remember more. Third, never forget the power of sleep. Sleep is when your brain does its most important work. It organizes your memories and saves the things you learned during the day. If you do not sleep enough, your brain cannot save the files. Many adults try to work more by sleeping less, but this actually destroys your memory and makes you slower. Good sleep is a requirement for a sharp mind. Finally, try to use what you learn in your daily life. The brain remembers what we use. If you learn a new word, use it in a conversation today. If you learn a new professional idea, try to apply it to a task at work. Using information makes it real. When information is real and useful, the brain will never let it go. Memory is not a magic gift. It is a skill that you can learn. If you focus your attention, understand the meaning, review at the right time, and take care of your body, your memory will improve every day. You do not have a weak mind, you just need to use the right system. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing these simple habits. Your brain is very powerful, and it is ready to learn anything you want. Trust yourself, use these tools, and you will see that remembering can be easy and natural.